Hey everyone, this is a review of a product that I was sent. I was looking for something to cover the Pano roof on a Rivian. It's not bad. Got the front windshield tinted on this just to block some sun, but we would keep our dog Chloe on the back seat and we go out shopping and things, and I'll leave the camp mode on, but a lot of sunlight comes through that. So I wanted to get something temporary because I really don't want to do a permanent film on the top. It's a bit expensive. I was looking for a cheaper solution, see if it works out. I'd be happy if the Pano roof didn't exist because I really don't look at it and nobody ever sits on the back of it. But it's good view for Chloe to look at. So this company, EVBASE, they sent me one of these to try out. I told them I was going to give my honest opinion and see how it works out. So package came about this, and it's supposed to have some sort of screen in it. So let's see what it looks like. It's got a cover, so I guess there's a way to store this somewhere. I'm pretty sure it'll probably fit in the front if you're not using it for winter or whatever days you don't feel like having it on there. I think with us, we'll probably throw it on there and just have it through the summer because it gets quite hot in there through the screen when the truck is just parked in the sun. So it's got a little zipper on here. I guess you pull it out of the case. There's two sides to it. I guess this side goes toward the sun, kind of reflective. That's probably the bottom half of it. It seems to be a decent quality, good quality. The stitchings look pretty good. The material doesn't have any rips or anything on it. It just pops open. That's pretty good. That's kind of what it looks like. There's a little tag on here. There's no mention of any particular brand, so it must be, you know, designed by just one company, sold under different things. But it doesn't look bad. I mean, the material is really soft, so it feels good. Let's see if it works in the truck. I just want to throw it in there and see how it goes. So it might be a bit challenging since I opened it here. It folds easy, so just take two corners and that's about it, and then you should be able to slide it just like that back in the case. So that's pretty neat. It's got a strong wire on the edge. So let's see how this works out. All right, so get it in here. I guess just slide it into the top, something like that. And it should be able to fit right here too. Goes over like that. I guess it goes into the headliner. So if your headliner is pretty tight, you're gonna have to kind of work at it, but mine's a bit loose. I guess it works. Once you slide through the headliner on top, it seems to fit pretty nicely. It's tight fit. I guess I'll put it upside down, but there's the shiny part. I guess that's supposed to go the other direction. Not that bad. Not that bad. Let me pull this out, flip it. There we go. It's just a weird size and feels flimsy because of the wires. But let's see, slide that in. Bam, on this side. Goes in that corner. Slides in that corner. Slides in that corner. Just like so. Let's stick it out of here. I guess it all depends on how stiff your headliner is. But that's not looking too bad. And Rivian puts the headliner as a magnetic anyway, so you can play around with it a little bit just to get the spacing right, because you can tell they're magnetic, adjustable style. So that's not bad. It matches up pretty decently. It's a different color black than the factory black, but I don't think anybody would notice, and it seems to be keeping all the sun out. But that's a quick review on it. If you use my link, you'll get 15-20% discount on it. It might help the channel out. I just wanted to test this out because I was looking for a solution. They happened to have one. I got sent one and wanted to try it. So hopefully that help somebody out how to put this thing together. Seems to be okay with it. It'd be nice if it was a perfect color match, but nothing is. It matches almost to the leather or pull leather or vegan leather kind of thing. So on that note, please like, subscribe, and share. Hopefully, we'll do an update after the summer, see how this holds up over with the sun, if it makes any difference or whatnot. So take care and enjoy the day.